So on the day's job, we're going to fit the other extended worktop here, which is going to be that. This is going to act more like a cooking station, but also to work as well. So I'm going to fit these extra long ones. Let's see how we're going. So if you guys do go and enjoy the video, why not drop it a like and leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you're always notified when I release a new video. So that's all in. So let's see if it folds. Just like that. I love that the way it actually acts is like a locking mechanism as well, because that just doesn't feel like it's moving. So make sure we can shut the door. And then we'll be able to open up. So wait and you see how close this is to the actual door handle. Like, literally a millimetre of space like this. I can just fit that. No way. Look at that. That's crazy, but it's up. It's solid as well. It's just a simple case of and that's it. There's plenty of clearance as well. So let's look at it for the other side. So here's the end result, and this kitchen, storage, worktop area turned out far better than I thought it would. And as you can see, we have so many combinations of extra space now, as well as the new pull-out drawer. I'm so proud of this setup, and I love I was able to get back the worktop area that I cut to make a side entrance. Now I have best of both worlds.